So this is the welcome screen that is displayed to users when they first launch the app. After they go through that, they're presented with a list of their transactions, which will be 0 when they first install, but I've added a few in so we can see what it's like. To add a new transaction, you click the plus button, you enter your price, you choose your category, you choose your location, you can add a new location if you want. And you can choose your date, and you can choose if it's a deposit or not. You can also add a picture, which I'll just take a picture of the one over now. And you can approve it, or reject it, or retake it, and approve it. After that, you see a thumbnail of it there, and you can click save. Then you go back to the main list, and you can see it's already in our list of transactions. You can also make a bill reminder. To do that, you go to here, enter your price, and who it's to, and then you set a time to be reminded at. I'm just going to set it to be a minute from now, just so we can see it easily. Now if you go to the calendar view, you can see it color codes all the dates according to how much you spent. And you can change that in the settings. You can also click and drag to see stats about a whole range of days. You can see in that range there was 5 transactions and the value of it. And then you can use arrows at the top to navigate back and forth between months. You can also go to a category view. It shows all your categories, how much you spent in them. And then when you click on one, it shows you all the specific transactions in that category. You click it again and go to the actual view for that transaction. And here you can press and hold any aspect of it and modify that aspect if you put in the wrong date or price or something. You can also tap the picture and you'll get a full view picture of it, where you can pinch and zoom, see all the details in it. Now if you look up at the top, you can see that we have a notification where it says how much our bill is, who it's to. We can tap it, and then it brings up this add transaction screen with all the information already filled out for it. So it's really easy to go from there and just add your transaction to your database. Now if you go over here to the tablet version of the app, okay, as you can see we have a list of transactions over here, a big open space here. So if we tap the transaction, you can see the prices and all the details of it are right there for you to easily see. So it makes some better use of the screen space. If you go to any of the places where you have to pick a date, you now get the same UI we had for the phone over here, but you also get a full calendar over here, so it's a lot easier to see what exactly the day is. If we go back, you can also go to your category view, and it's now replaced with a 3-pane thing, which allows you to easily go in to see your categories, your transactions in that category, and the actual transaction all on one screen. And the same features like tapping and holding to edit apply on the tablet version.